Well students, in last class we have learned about how grandma was rescued from the tree by her relatives, and she was confined to bed for how many days? For a week, which means for 1 week, isn't it? And then we have learned that how she learned climbing tree from her loving brother. So remember that in last class she was very much confined, which means she was so irritated and she felt like she was in a prison. Is that clear? So that is what we've learned in last class. So in today's class, we're going to learn what actually happened after a week, which means after she was recovered. Let's see what happened. Okay. So I want you to take out your textbook and go through the 5th stanza. But she had held her peace till she felt stronger. Then she sat up and said, I lie here no longer. And she called for my father and told him undaunted that a house on a treetop was what she now wanted. My dad knew his duties. He said, that's all right. You'll have what you have, what you want, dear. I'll start work tonight. With my expert assistance, he soon finished the core, made her a tree house with windows and door. So Granny moved up, and now every day I climb to her room with glasses and tray. She sits there in state and drinks sherry with me, upholding her right to reside in a tree. So here in today's class we are going to learn that what actually grandma wanted from her son. So let us see what actually happened there. So she knew that if at all she is going to get bed rest for a week or maybe for a month, she knew that she can't climb up the tree. So what did she do? She said that she can't stay anymore, which means can't stay in her bedroom, like it has become like a prison to her. So what happened was, she just waited patiently and she said that, okay fine, now I am going to ask you something, which means it happens in each and everyone's family that you have your grandmas and grandpas, isn't it? So whatever they wanted from their son, without hesitant, which means without undaunted, they asked something to bring, isn't it? So what do their children do? They give something to the parents. The same thing happened here with grandma also. So undauntedly, which means without hesitation, grandma had something in her mind that she wanted something, and what is that? Let us see what is that something. So here, without any hesitation, first in the beginning she felt like, okay, should I ask my son like this and all, okay, but later on what happened, let us see. She asked that she wanted a house in a treetop. Can you see which is given on the board? Yes. So let us see whether her son agreed or disagreed. That a house in treetop was what she now wanted. My dad knew his duties. He said, that's all right, you'll have what you want, dear. I'll start the work tonight. So here what happened? Remember that grandma's son agreed because he wanted his mother to stay happy or be happy, isn't it? So in our life, how we have to behave? Should we be very cruel or kind? Main thing is we have to be very kind to each and everyone. So then only you find happiness in yourself and happiness in others also. The same thing happened with Ruskin Bond, where what he has written was like his father, which tells me about grandma's son, that he said that he agreed and he told that, okay fine, I'll start the work tonight. So remember that whenever you want to do some work, you should know something about that particular work. Look, we are teachers, what do? We explain to you all, isn't it? So we are trained in that particular thing where we know how to teach and how to give the explanation to the students and how to make the students understand. The same way here, whatever work you are going to do, you have to know something, or you should know something in that. So remember that all of a sudden when grandma asked her son to build a house in a tree top, her son agreed. Let us see whether he knows it or not. Which means he has agreed that his mother, he wants to keep his mother happy. So now let us see whether he has started the work. He agreed and he told that he is going to start the work tonight. Okay, with my expert assistance, which means remember that he knew something about the construction. He knew something about the house, how he can construct a house on tree in a tree top, otherwise somewhere else. Which means remember that he had some expert assistance. Okay, so with expert assistance, it's not only him. Maybe his son or grandson, her grandson also have joined to construct a house in a tree top. So let us see. He soon finished the core. Remember, core means it is said that work. So what happened was, he all of a sudden tonight means he has to finish and make her happy, isn't it? So here he finished the core, which means what core was that? House in a tree top. He constructed, which means he built a house in a tree top to whom? To her, which means to his mother. So let us see. So granny. So what happened was, it made her. They made her tree house with windows and doors. So remember, whenever we live in a house, isn't it? So do you find only four sides? Do you find the walls? No. You find windows. You find doors. The same way happened here, even with what? With her son, where he constructed a tree top house. There were windows and doors also. And remember that Granny was very happy for this. So Granny moved up, and now every day I climb her room with glasses and frame. I is referred to grandson. So what does the grandson do? Now who's there on tree top? Grandma is in a tree top. She's happy there. She's living there. So what does her grandson do? He every day carries this glasses and tray, so that he and grandma, what do? They sit and drink sherry. Sherry means it's kind of wine. Okay, so here upholding her right to reside in a tree. So remember one thing, that she actually wanted to be upon the tree, which means she had asked without any hesitation to her son, saying that she wanted to have a house in a tree top. So this happened. What? It was constructed. In the end, they lived very happily. So remember that she did not like the house with her relatives. Might be she had liked it, but one thing, her desire was that she wanted to live happily in a tree top. So this is what we have learned in today's class, and we have ended up with this whole poem, which is that Grandma Climbs a Tree. So remember children, this particular poem will be given in the examination for 4 marks, especially the summary. You will have to learn the summary well. Is that clear? Okay.